Today we will learn about the neuroglia. We all know that our nervous system, that is the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system as well, the structural and functional unit is nothing but the neurons. And the supporting element is neuroglia. Neurons does nerve conduction. Where is the neuroglia? Which is in the ratio of 1 is to 10. 1 is the neuron and 10 is the neuroglia. It provides HMP, that is the homeostasis, myelination and protection. Homeostasis, to make suitable environment to live for the neurons. Myelination and the protection, like roti, kapra or makan. Makan does protection, kapra is myelination, and roti, that is gives metabolic support as well as the suitable neighborhood. Now coming to the classification of the neuroglia. In the periphery, you can say peripheral nervous system, it is Smita Sudarshana, that is Schwann cell and the satellite cell. Schwann cell and satellite cell. Okay. And in the central nervous system, that is the brain and spinal cord, it is Smita Sudarshana, attracted to us EMO. EMO is one app. A for astrocyte, E for ependymal cell, M for microglia, and O for oligodendrocytes. Out of all these, the microglia is of a small size. The rest are of large size, and they are known as macroglia. Whereas this one is the microglia. Okay. Now coming to know about each type of neuroglia. First, microglia. Okay. Now microglia, it is like this. It is the immune system of our nervous system. It clear up the dead and necrosed substance from our nervous system. ये एक नगर निगम में काम करने वाले आदमी की तरह है जो पूरा कचरा साफ करता है. तो so it does the wiping off or eating of the dead and necrosed tissue inside the nervous system, as well as it remove the toxin material, and it become hyperactive in neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer, in which amyloid plaque and the toxin product, that is the amyloid plaque and the neurofibrillary triangle, these are present. In those circumstances, in neurodegenerative disease, is workload increases and it increases in number. ये नगर निगम में तो काम करता ही है, प्लस ये डाकिया भी है, पोस्टमैन. It help in the formation of synapses so that our brain develop more and more. And third thing, ये माली का भी काम करता है. It does pruning, synaptic pruning, that it eat the excess synapses, that useless and excess synapses they eat up. And जिस तरह से माली पूरा पौधे की कटाई छटाई करता है और एक सेब दे देता है जो कि यूजफुल रहता है, like this only the microglia does its work. Okay. Now coming to the astrocyte. As It is of a star shape, that's why called astrocyte. It is like the policeman of the nervous system. It regulates the neurotransmitter level along the synapses. Along the synapses, it regulates the neurotransmitter level, as well as it make available the essential nutrients over there like potassium, and does the metabolic support over there. It upregulate or downregulate the neurotransmitter level, so that in this way it can modify or modulate the neurotransmission. अगर हम इसको सिंपल भाषा में समझना चाहें तो ये एक पुलिसमैन की तरह काम करता है. कैसे? क्योंकि आजकल क्या है कि गलत अफवाहों से पूरा दंगा फसाद हो जाता है, तो ये गलत अफवाह को फैलने से रोकता है. द लेवल ऑफ न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर इज कंट्रोल बाय दिस सिस्टम, दैट इज दिस न्यूरोग्लियल सेल एस्ट्रोसाइट. और वहाँ पे अपना खुफिया विभाग से वहाँ एक ऐसा आदमी भी पहुँचा देता है जो इस चीज़ की खबर देते रहे कि वहाँ क्या हो रहा है, और एक अच्छा वहाँ पे सपोर्ट भी देता है, मेटाबॉलिक सपोर्ट देता है वहाँ पे. जैसे पोटेशियम अवेलेबल करा देता है जो कि खुफिया तंत्र की तरह से काम करता है, और वहाँ पे मेटाबॉलिक सपोर्ट देता है. ठीक है. मेक अवेलेबल न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड ऑक्सीजन ओवर देयर. और लेवल ऑफ न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर, अफवाह को कितना फैलने देना है, किस तरह से मॉडिफाई करना है, अच्छा अफवाह को ज़्यादा फैलने देना है, गलत को अफवाह को कम कर देना है, कितनी तक बात को रिलीज़ करना है लोगों के बीच में. दीज आर ऑल कंट्रोल बाय दिस. सो इट हेल्प्स इन द न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर लेवल. इट डज अप रेगुलेशन, डाउन रेगुलेशन, एंड इन दिस वे इट कैन मॉडिफाई as well as the modulate the neurotransmission. Okay, it make available the potassium ion over there and does metabolic support, as well as it hold the blood vessels. Hold the neurons, the axons of the neuron, in order to give fixity. ये बात सुन रहा है, यहाँ से भाग नहीं जाए इसके बात को, तो इट गिव इस एक्सॉन्स वाइल रैप अराउंड द न्यूरॉन्स. ओके, एक्सॉन ऑफ अदर न्यूरॉन्स in order to give fixity, as well as it make connection in between the blood vessel and the neurons, so that the exchange of the nutrients and oxygen towards the neuron and the carbon dioxide and waste and the toxin material are poured up in the blood vessel, as well as it maintains distance as well, because it creates the blood brain barrier, astrocyte. Okay, so this is all about the astrocyte. Now coming to the ओलिगोडेंड्रोसाइट्स. ये दर्जी है, कपड़ा सिलने का काम करता है, बट ऐसा वैसा कपड़ा नहीं. It provides a fatty substance called myelin, which wraps around the axon and provides myelination. A fatty substance around the axons in order to give insulation, as well as the electric impulse do not leak out, and it gives strength for the nerve conduction. So the nerve conduction will be more and more faster if the axons will get myelinated. इसके ऊपर कपड़ा पहनाने का क्या फ़ायदा है? ये इंसुलेशन का काम करता है, ताकि यहाँ से करंट दूसरों को नहीं लगे। प्लस इसका एनर्जी भी तो कंजर्व हो रहा है, ताकि ये अंदर ही अंदर पूरा नर्व इम्पल्सिस के अंदर रहे और ये कंडक्शन अच्छे से हो, ज़्यादा मात्रा में हो और जल्दी हो। Okay, and it is of white color, that's why these are called, the axons are called white matter. Okay, so this is about the oligodendrocytes. Now coming to the ependymal cell. Ependymal cell is like this. Ependymal cell, ये पानी की टंकी का अस्तर बनाने, अंदर का अस्तर बनाने का काम करता है और वहाँ की सफाई भी करता है, झाड़ू लगाता है, ताकि वो आगे प्रोपेल भी होता रहे, वहाँ से गंदा निकलते रहे, अच्छा पानी आते रहे, गंदा निकलते रहे. So it does lining of the ventricles as well as the central canal of the spinal cord, and its cilia moves in order to propel the CSF and provide nutrition everywhere. Okay, and we have read about the macroglia, oligodendrocytes, ependymal cell, astrocyte. Now coming to the Schwann cell, ये दर्जी का काम करता है लेकिन पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम के लिए. It does myelination for the neurons of the peripheral nervous system. And what about the satellite? जैसे policeman of the central nervous system is astrocyte and policeman of the peripheral nervous system is satellite. It regulates the chemical substance release over the synapses in the sympathetic, parasympathetic and the sensory nervous system. Okay, this satellite cell. So this is all about the neuroglia. Thank you. One thing more, that neuroglia, it constitutes 10:1, that the neurons which does nerve impulse conduction is 1%, whereas the neuroglia are 10%. 1:10 ratio is there. Thank you. This satellite cell, which is the policeman of the peripheral nervous system, it help in the genesis and maintenance of chronic pain. हो सकता है कि ये एस्ट्रोसाइट से अलग होके यहाँ आया हो, लेकिन इसका अंदर में वो दर्द जो है वो अपने आप दर्द को जिंदा रखा है, पुराना दर्द को मरने नहीं दिया है. ठीक है, तो इट हेल्प इन द जेनेसिस एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ क्रोनिक पेन. And one thing more about the oligodendrocytes is there is autoimmune reaction against the oligodendrocytes. The nerve impulse will be very slow and the highly myelinated area will get affected, and that disease is called multiple sclerosis. Okay.